Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best pressure cooker that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Instant Pot IP-Duo 67-in-1 Multifunctional Pressure Cooker. Instant Pot IP-Duo 67-in-1 is an excellent pressure cooker that combines 7 functions all in one machine. It comes with 14 programs which you can use if you prefer cooking in a delay option. It is usually kitchen-friendly and its efficiency is excellent. It has 10 safety options that are certified and includes a ply bottom that is of steel which is stainless. This is rated as the most efficient pressure cooker in the market and surely has its place in the top 10 best pressure cookers. Its food are tasty and cooks faster than other pressure cookers as well as traditional equipment. Its delay cooking features are ideal for those who have multiple tasks and if you have a busy schedule that does not allow regular checking. It is very easy when cleaning it and simple to operate. Instant Pot is a smart electric pressure cooker designed by Canadians aiming to be safe, convenient and dependable. It speeds up cooking by 2 to 6 times using up to 70% less energy and, above all, produces nutritious healthy food in a convenient and consistent fashion. Instant Pot Duo is a 7-in-1 programmable cooker. It replaces 7 kitchen appliances as it has the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker and warmer. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cuisinart CPC 600AMZ 1000 watt 6 quart electric pressure cooker. Cuisinart CPC 600AMZ 1000 watt 6 quart is made of stainless steel and has a black color that offers great elegance. You can cook food faster in 7 times as compared to traditional equipment and it's ideal for a family of around 5 to 6 people. It usually has a capacity of 6 quarts. Its various functions allow cooking of food in different styles. You can delay the cooking time by up to 99 minutes, this means that if you are busy or on the go you can continue with your tasks and still get your food cooked in the right time you wish. Its tight lid ensures that you do not lose vitamins and moisture in the cooking process. Other features are warm keeping, visible digital display, thermostat, a handle that is touch side and a pot that do not stick which can be easily removed for washing. Reduce time spent in the kitchen preparing meals with the help of this 6-quart electric pressure cooker. It cuts cooking times up to 70% when compared to traditional stovetop cooking methods. The unit traps steam inside, which builds up pressure to create hotter temperatures, and its tight seal locks in heat, moisture, and flavor, as well as vitamins and minerals for exceptionally healthy, great-tasting meals like soup, chili, and other one-dish entrees. It also works well for cheesecake and custard, because dessert should never be left off the menu. At number 3, we have the Presto 01781 2-3-quart pressure canner and cooker. The best accessory in your kitchen is a pressure cooker that is easy to use and one that functions without even the slightest malfunction. The best pressure cooker is one that performs the same over the months and years without falling apart and still makes delicious and nutritious meals every time. One of our picks in the best pressure cooker is the Presto 01362. Pressure canning is the only method recommended safe by the U.S. Department of Agriculture for low-acid foods. Doubles as a boiling water canner for preserving fruits, jams, jellies, pickles and salsa in pint and half-pint jars. Also handy as a large-capacity pressure cooker. Constructed of warp-resistant, heavy-gauge aluminum for fast, even heating. Works on regular and smooth top ranges. Deluxe pressure dial gauge registers the complete range of processing pressures. This precise measurement is especially important at higher altitudes. Air vent cover lock allows pressure to build up only when the cover is closed properly and prevents the cover from opening until pressure is safely reduced. Liquid capacity 23 quarts, 21.8 liters. At number 2, we have the Tayama TMC60XL multi-function pressure cooker. If you want to perfect your dishes for a dinner night with your better half or a sumptuous backyard lunch with your family, you may want to take it easy on those tough meat and make it very tender and juicy. With the help of the Tayama TMC60XL pressure cooker, you can get done with your cooking in no time. This 8-in-1 multifunctional pressure cooker is programmed with preset functions that you can use for slow cooking, steaming, rice cooking, reheating soups and other dishes, and easy-to-use functional options to tenderize the meat and chicken. You can view the settings on the digital display panel, so you can check whether to make adjustments or not. It includes a steaming tray, a removable lid, and a trivet or canning rack that helps raise food, racks, or baskets off the bottom of the pot. And because it is made of stainless steel, you can rely your cooking needs on it for a long time. And finally at number 1, we have the Bella pressure cooker. If you are looking for another ideal kitchen partner that can do all the cooking you need, especially in slow cooking, you can try another fantastic pressure cooker from Bella. A lot of users commended this pressure cooker with its excellence in high-pressure cooking and slow cooking. The process is said to have been real quick that it saves more time for cooking other kinds of dishes. Apart from its sleek and elegant design, Bella makes sure you're getting everything quick and easy. It features a comfortable one-touch cooking with 10 programmed functions that you can choose according to the type of dish you're cooking. Engineered with an excellent mechanism and functional programs, it cooks various kinds of food to perfection. If you also want to sear and brown the meat, chicken, and other ingredients you want, you can put them directly in the cooker without the need to put it on a stove top. The steam release valves are designed with an airtight locking lid that ensures you safe and enjoyable cooking. This cooker is easy to clean and incredibly durable. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.